In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account. Now you may be looking around and wondering where do you withdraw money from, but guys, it's really simply just select on the $sign, right? Select move funds and then select withdraw. Here you will select the account that you want to withdraw from. You could have multiple accounts. Then select next. Here you can get a Wealthsimple cash balance where you can earn up to 4% on your balance, right? And 1% when you spend, right? And here you can do a free withdrawal to your bank account. So I'm going to do withdrawal to my bank account. However, if you wanted the money instantly, you could withdraw to your Visa debit card, which gonna cost you about 2.5% of the amount that you are withdrawing. So here, select next. Specify the amount that you want to withdraw. I'm going to say 110. Then select next. Total amount, the withdrawal date, processing time 1 to 3 business days, and the account that I'm withdrawing from, and the account that it will be withdrawn to. So here I'm just going to select submit withdrawal. Select done, and within 3 business days, the money will be in your bank account. So that's how you withdraw money from Wealthsimple, guys. If you want to see other tutorials on Wealthsimple, I'll leave 2 at the end of this video on a card, as well as you can check out my Wealthsimple playlist. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.